Hi, I am Alex. Welcome to Kidzmania.
Hi kids! Today we will learn how to draw a unicorn ice cream cone. Let's get started. Let's start with the cone. Draw a big triangle with a pointy end down. This will be the yummy ice cream cone. Now draw a U-shaped zigzag line on the top of the cone. On top of the cone, draw a big, round circle. This is the scoop of the ice cream. Draw a round shape from the middle of the scoop. Every unicorn has a special horn. Draw a small triangle at the top of the ice cream for the unicorn's horn. You can draw some curved lines inside the horn to make it look even more special. Now let's add two small triangles on the both sides of the ice cream scoop. Let's make our unicorn look even more magical with some hair. Our unicorn needs to see. Let's draw two small circles below the horn for the eyes. You can even make them look like happy little eyes. Let's draw a little smile right under the eyes. Now draw some tilted lines in the cone to make it look even more special. Draw a unicorn tail to make it more beautiful. Now we get to color. What colors do you want for the cone, ice cream, and unicorn? Let's draw a dark brown outline of the cone. Let's color the ice cream scoop in any flavor that you want. Now add some finishing touches. Fantastic! You are all done. What a beautiful unicorn ice cream you have made.
In a world of colors, oh so bright, let's sing a song with all our might. cheese, give me tiny slice of cheese. I will sit and eat this smelly slice of cheese. I'm a mouse, I'm a mouse, I'm a tiny little mouse. I'm a mouse, I'm a mouse, running round your house. I'm a mouse, I'm a mouse, I'm a tiny little mouse. I'm a mouse, I'm a mouse, running round your house. Give me cheese, give me cheese, give me tiny slice of cheese. I will sit and eat this smelly slice of cheese. I'm a mouse, I'm a mouse, I'm a tiny little mouse. I'm a mouse, I'm a mouse, running round your house.
Hi kids! Today we are very excited to learn the unicorn donut drawing. Let's get started. Let's start by drawing a big circle. This will be the shape of our donut. Now, draw a smaller circle inside the big one to make the donut hole. Great job! Now, let's add 2 small triangles on top of the donut. One on the left side and one on the right side. These will be the unicorn's ears. Awesome, guys! In between the ears, let's draw a tall, skinny triangle. You can add some curved lines inside the horn to make it look even more special. Let's give our unicorn a cute face. Draw 2 small circles in the middle of the donut for the eyes. You can make them look sleepy or wide awake. Then, add a tiny smile underneath. How adorable! Now for the flavor of your donut. Draw a zigzag line. Now, let's make our donut fun. Draw little ovals and circles all around the donut. These are the sprinkles. You can draw as many as you like in different sizes. Your donut looks yummy. Now it's time to color our unicorn donut. You can use any colors you like. Make the horn bright and shiny. Now we will color the ears. I will choose a pink one. You can choose any color you like. Now we will color the eyes of the donut. And color the tongue in the pink color. Oh wow, it looks so cute! Make the sprinkles colorful. the donut in any flavor you can imagine. I like chocolate flavor. That's why I choose a brown color. Now add some finishing touches. Here is a magical surprise for you guys. These are the glow-in-the-dark tubes. Now we will apply the glow-in-the-dark glue on the surroundings of the donut. Are you ready to see the magical surprise of the glow-in-the-dark glue? 3, 2, 1. Fantastic! You're all done. What a magical unicorn donut you've made. I hope you guys enjoy and learn to make the unicorn donut. Don't forget to subscribe Kidzmania 2030. Thanks for watching.